Hello guys, welcome back to my video editing tutorial. So we'll continue from where we stopped. The last time I showed you how to put text behind. So today we'll be talking about how to use there's something called black gradient. So I'll be showing you how to use black gradient and b-roll. There's something called b-roll and also fancy overlay. So we'll use black gradient, b-roll and fancy overlay. So let's dive into the class immediately. So we go back to our InShot app. We go to our InShot app and we go to video, new. So we go and look for, I think this is no, I think this is the video. No. So new, I think this is the video. Let's just see.
Connection builds and
So yeah,
viewers connect deeply with both the artwork.
so this is the video. So we bring it in. So you know the first thing you have to do is to go and remove the watermark. So after removing the watermark, so the first thing we are going to do is to put your black gradient. What do you mean by black gradient? Let me show you. So if you go to Chrome, you search for black gradient. So black gradient is what we use to cover this watermark. Look, this watermark here. So we are going to use black gradient to cover it. So go to your Chrome and search for black gradient. I have one I would use already, so I just want to show you how you can probably get yours. So black gradient, so you can see what it looks like. So these are black gradients, you can see. So these are black gradients. So but let me show you the one I have. You can check for anyone you like. So let me show you the one I have. So I'll come to PIP. I think this is the one I intend to use. So yeah, this is the one. Is it there? Let's see. So this is the one I intend to use. No, I don't think this is this one. Let me see. Well, let me just use this one. So what I'm going to do is I'll come to this blend, and I'm going to blend it with, I'm coming, let's see. No, I don't want to use. Let me change this one. Let me change it. So if you want to change it, just come here and cancel it. Cancel it. Then you go back to your PIP. I think I should use this one. It's still the same thing. So PIP. Let me just use it. Still the same thing, but let me just use it like that. So okay, so I think I should first mask it. Let me mask it first. Let me mask it. So let me mask it. I'm going to mask it. Then I'm going to you can see. I'm going to blend it. Let's see how the blending looks like. Let's use this one. No, I think it's okay like this. Let's just leave it like this. Let's just leave it like this. So it's okay like this. So now I've used it to cover the water.
Art and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas.
So now you can say once the video gets to this point, the black gradient will be removed. So you have to extend it to the end. So you extend it. How do you extend it? Just click on here, then click, and you can see to go straight to the end. You understand? So like that, you have been able to video beginning. So you have been able to add it to every part. So after that, the next thing is to talk about fancy overlay. So fancy overlay, when we say fancy overlay, it means something like this. Let me show you. It means something like this. Let me check my gallery. Look at something like this. I don't think I have it. I don't have it, but let's go. So let me show you where you can get your fancy overlay. So just go to your Chrome, go to YouTube. You understand? Go to YouTube, and then search for overlays. So you can search for white overlay. Let me search for white overlay. You can see something like this. I'm coming. Look at something like this. So let it load. So this is an overlay. So what this overlay is used for is to put your words on them. For example, let me play this video for you. Look.
Art and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words alone
So
cannot fully explain.
here that I said ideas, emotions, and experiences, you can use text. I get it now. So instead of writing the text just like that, you can put an overlay and then you write the text on the overlay. You understand? So that's what the overlay is for here.
Emotions and experiences that words alone cannot fully explain. Through colors, lines, and forms, artists communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle, helping viewers connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy.
So you can see.
And
So
understanding
that's
among
what
people
we'll
from different
use
cultures and backgrounds.
the overlay
Finally,
for. So
art
let's
and
see. So firstly, you have to recognize where do you want to use those texts. You understand? So let's go and download some overlay. So how do you download the overlay? Once you get the overlay you want to use, once you get the overlay you want to use, so you are going to come to this YouTube downloader, this vidmate. Look at it here, this vidmate. I get it now. You download it from here. So this vidmate is not available in App Store. You have to go and download it from Chrome. So what you do is to go to Chrome, and then search for vidmate or vidmate APK. So you can see, so to show you the vidmate, you can download it from any of these apps. So just click it and download it. You understand? So that's how you get it. You cannot get it on App Store. So once you have the overlay you want to use, there are different types of overlay. There's grid overlay. Let me show you grid overlay. Maybe let me show you something. There's grid overlay. There are many types, so just try and find out. You can see this is grid, new trending. You can see, so you must have been seeing it on different videos. So this is grid overlay. You understand? So anyone you like to use, you can just come and download it. But let me go and download that white overlay. I think I would need that white overlay. So if you want to download, all you need to do is to copy the link and then go to your vidmate. You paste the link there and then you download it. So let's see. What's going on? Okay, skip. So you are going to put your URL. Look at this place. I said put URL. Where is this shit? So this place I says put URL. You are going to put your URL there. So paste, and then you search. So you can see. So then you come to this place that it says download. You are going to download it. So download. So it finished downloading. So just click on done. So if you go and check your gallery, you see it there. Let's see. Gallery. What's the button? Why is it not downloading? Download. Okay. Okay, still downloading then. Oh, it's still downloading. So we have to wait. So let's go and check our gallery to see if it has downloaded. So you can see it has downloaded. So now after it has downloaded, you go back to your InShot, and then you go back to your InShot and go to PIP. So this one, okay. PIP.
Acts
So now you come to your PIP.
are essential
Come.
emotions and experiences. Emotions and experiences to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words alone cannot fully explain. Through colors, lines, and forms, artists communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle.
So here, joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle. So I think we can use here,
Feelings such as joy, sorrow,
such as.
such as joy,
So from this joy, we can bring in the fancy overlay. So you click on PIP, then you bring it in. Understand? Then autofill. So you are going to make sure it fill up. So let's see.
as joy, sorrow,
So on this now, you are going to now write text such as joy. So okay. So then you come to text again, write joy. So okay, so you duplicate it. You are going to duplicate again, and duplicate again. So it says such as what? Joy.
hope, and struggle,
Such as joy,
such as joy, sorrow,
sorrow. So you come here, you edit it. Joy, sorrow, and then the third one is what?
helping viewers connect deeply with both the artwork,
So such as
joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle.
hope and struggle. So edit it. I hope you are flowing. Hope and then struggle. So edit struggle. So you can change the color, you can do many things with it. So let's see. So let's see what we can do with it. So I want to change the color of this to maybe blue. Let's say blue. You can see. And then I want to give it, I would leave it with border, but I want to give it a label, maybe a white label, something like this. You understand? Or I can change the text to white. I can change, no, I can leave the text as blue. Text can be blue. sorry. The text should be blue. Text should be blue. Something like this. This is blue. So I think this is okay. I can give it a white border, and then the label should be blue also. The label should be blue, something like this. So so I think it's nice like this. I can use something like this or like this. I can use something like this. So I can leave it like this. So the next one is what? Sorrow. So sorrow, same thing. I can make it blue. I can make it blue too. So and the label would be white. The label would be blue too. The label should be blue. The label should be blue. Is that what we did for the first one? Yes. So I think we can. Anyway, let's just finish so that it can be the same thing all through. So the label, you can edit the label. You can edit the label to be something like this or like this. What do you think? I think this is okay. So sorry. So hope and struggle. Yeah. So sorrow. So I think this looks nice. So what I'm going to just do is to edit this sorrow, and then I can duplicate it for others. You understand? So I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to give it animation. Don't worry, when I get to caption, I'm going to explain how I'm doing all these things. You understand? So I'm going to give it animation. So what animation am I going to give it? So in this animation, you can give it any kind of animation you want. You understand? So you can this in means how do you want it to come in, and this out means how do you want it to come out. You understand? So and this loop also means how you want it to be doing, but I don't think I need any of the loop. I don't need the loop. You understand? So how do I want it to come in? I think it should come in this way, and then out should be this way. You understand? So sorrow. So now I can delete this one. I can delete this one, and then I can duplicate this, and then this one also I can delete it and duplicate this one, so it can be here. So I can delete this one too. I can delete it and then duplicate this one too. So those are the four. So what's the first one? So this one should be joy. So just be following me as I'm saying. So you edit it So it's going to be joy, 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 yeah, sorrow. Then this one is hope. I can remember hope, hope, and then this one is struggle, struggle. So that's it. So let's play it.
Such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle, helping viewers connect.
So now, after we have add everything, so we now have to arrange them in a way that it will come in, nicely. You understand? So this is joy, joy,
Hope, such as joy, sorrow, hope, and
so joy, sorrow,
joy, sorrow, hope,
so this sorrow, I'm going to bring it down here. No, split and delete. So close.
sorrow, hope, such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle.
So we are going to increase sorrow also, sorrow. So hope is gonna come to.
Struggle, helping viewers.
So this we are going to increase it. So such as
Sorrow, hope, and struggle.
so
Hope,
hope is gonna shift back a bit. So
joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle.
hope is going to move down. So let's see.
Sorrow, hope, and struggle. Help.
So this hope, I'm going to increase it also. And then the last one is struggle. You can see.
Joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle. Helping
So struggle.
and struggle.
So struggle is going to come somewhere, although it's going to come down like this. Sorry. We're going to increase it too. So let's see.
Sorrow, hope, and struggle. Helping viewer. Helping hope and struggle. Hope and struggle. Helping viewers.
So let's see how it looks like now.
Artists communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle. Helping.
So this one, I want to extend it. So I think joy should go first, then sorrow should follow. Let me see.
And struggle. Helping
Let me see.
hope and struggle. Helping.
So what's going to happen? So here you have to split it. You have to delete it, split this one too, delete it, split this one too, delete it, then split this one too, delete it. So let's see.
Sorrow, hope, and struggle. Helping viewers connect.
So let's play it and see.
Art and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words alone cannot fully explain. Through colors, lines, and forms, artists communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle, helping viewers connect with both the artwork.
So you can see So meanwhile, wherever this place stops, wherever this one goes, the PIP2 also have to end. So let's go and see. So let's go to PIP, and then you would what? Split it to. So you have to split it and then delete it. That's it. Look,
hope, and struggle. Helping viewers
you
connect
understand now? So helping viewers.
connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds. Finally, art and painting add beauty to our environment. They inspire.
So this place I said environment, I'm going to put a B-roll there. You understand? So we are through with fancy overlay. I think I don't want it to be too much because this is a demo video. You understand? So it's just for you to understand the basics. It's not for you to perfect it. So from your perfection comes from constant practice. You understand? So now let me show you how to add B-roll. So what do you mean by B-roll? B-roll is actually showing what A-roll is saying. What is A-roll? A-roll is the original video, while B-roll is the stuff you brought in. So we have three types of B-roll. We have image video B-roll, we have video B-roll, and we have graphics B-roll. So here I'll be using image and video B-roll. So I have some image that I've downloaded already, but I'll show you how to get some image also. You understand? So let's go and start using the B-roll. So
Art and painting are essential.
So here that it says art and painting, I have two pictures, like image, that I'm going to use. You understand? So let me go and show you. But how do you get the images? So just go to your YouTube, anything you want, you see it on YouTube. So just go to YouTube, and search for art and painting. So it will bring a lot of stuff for you. You can see now. Or even though you don't go to YouTube, maybe you want an image, you understand? Just go to Google and search for art and painting. So I think most of the things you will get on what is it called, on YouTube, is going to be video. So just come to Google and search for art and painting image. You can see it will give you a lot of images you want, everything. You understand? So you just have to choose. So that's why I got the ones I have from. You understand? So you can see more images. You can see a lot of image. So you can see a lot of images. So that's why I got the one I want to use for. So let me go back. So if I want to add those things, I'll just come here, PIP. So I think we are using a lot of PIP. So I think what we are going to do is to do the B-roll in the next video, honestly, because our PIP is going to be too much. You understand? And you're not allowed to use more than 4 PIP in a video, in a creation. You understand? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this one. You understand? I'm going to export this one, and then in the next video we are going to be talking about B-roll. Thank you. Peace.